Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and spoilers. Today we have a Fab Fit Fun mystery bundle for you to unbox and give away items to one of you. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of February. It is the ColourPop Cabana Club palette. Now this is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It'll talk about how to enter yours of this, as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel. Watch the videos in their entirety. Now somewhere in this video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for this FabFitFun mystery bundle giveaway. So FabFitFun is a beauty, makeup, skincare, lifestyle, fitness, healthy, good for you type items. It's the longest subscription box that I have, and so it comes out seasonally, and that's $49 a box. And you can get an add-ons, and they have all sorts of things deeply discounted. One thing I always try and get is a mystery bundle, and it's just kind of a mystery to me and you, and so that's what this is. It's from the spring box. I did already do an unboxing of the spring box itself, and I'll leave that in the description box as well. There's a giveaway in that one too. So the mystery bundle is $29, and you're guaranteed at least $75 value and about 4 products added on. So I have all my notes on my phone. Now this first item I cannot find any information on, and it's all about teas. So it is from the Teas Company. You do get the Golden Slumbers. It is a bedtime blend with velvety smooth cacao golden strands of calendar and South African red no bias, and is sure to bring sweet dreams. It is caffeine free. Love that, especially at night. And it does also come with this little tea. Put a little bit in here and then put this in your cup. So it's dairy free, wheat free, ethical tea, partnership, GMO free. And in the bundle is also pumpkin spice. It is a black tea blend. It's rosehip hibiscus, joined pumpkin and toasted cinnamon for the ungranulated take on the classical autumn favorite. And then also in here is the mate boost. And yerba mate and lemongrass support an increased metabolism designed to kickstart your day. That's exactly what I need. Now from Heineken is the Hyaluron Eye Serum. And it does retail for $32. It gives sleepy eyes the big chill. Heineken's Hyaluron Eye Serum hydrates and visibly plumps lines with a cooling metal applicator that massages away puffiness. It instantly quenches and cools dry under eyes, helps visibly plump the look of fine lines and wrinkles, creates a smoother, dewier, more rested look. 4 types of hyaluronic acid lock in hydration and plump depleted skin. It has a cooling metal applicator, helps reduce puffiness. It instantly cools, hydrates, and visibly plumps 5 lines around the delicate eye area. So I'm super excited about that one. From Paper Source are 10 thank you cards. It's the Tiny Delights set. Say thank you with life's best tiny details. Card features illustrations of the finer things in embellished gold foil. Includes icons like sunglasses, donuts, potted plants, and more. They are blank inside, and they are accompanied by sunshine envelopes. Always love thank you cards. Now this last item in here is from Half Asleep. It is their Ruffle Sleep Mask in Cloud. It does retail for $30. Because no sleep is complete without the cozy and chic accessories, super soft and cuddly, the Ruffle Sleep Mask features newly derived eco-luxe and sustainably sourced fabric. Your beauty sleep just got a stylish upgrade. Here's what this looks like. And then it does have the cute little ruffle here. Very cute. So I thought it was a pretty good one. There's nothing that really blew me out of the water. What did you guys think? It obviously was not the worst one I received either, I will say that. What I think I do want to do is I'm kind of going to divide up that tea set a little bit. I already have a strainer thing, and then I'm going to include the fall one and the nighttime one. I'm going to keep the morning one for myself and give it, so these two tea sets as well as this one. So it is the nighttime one and the pumpkin spice one away for our giveaway. So the secret word is tea. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. You can get bonus entries if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. That'll give you one bonus entry. If you follow me on Twitter, it's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. That will give you another bonus entry. And if you share this video, that'll give you another bonus entry as well. So there's 3 extra chances to get entries. And just mark on the Google form that you did do them if you did, and because I do check, so only mark them on if you did do so. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. This giveaway is open internationally. I am then not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, loss and transit damage, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have this giveaway go through March 11th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. Then on March 16th, I will take from the Google Forms first name, first initial of your last name, as well as if you had bonus entries, I'll put them all into my computer, and the computer kind of spins them around and everybody sees it on the 16th. Computer picks it, so don't ask to win. And as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell your information or anything extra like that. If you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button and mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on the channel. If you like this video, give it a big like. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway.